What we have here in progress, 2005 Freightliner, 87,000 miles on it. Old FedEx truck. We have customized this into a fully loaded kitchen. Diesel. Should be able to take you another 300,000, 400,000 miles. Travel this thing all over the country at the moment. At the moment, we got a big single pot burner for all you big pot food lovers. 2 fryers here, a char grill, a 4-burner oven with a oven underneath. Got a sink here, 3-compartment sink with a hand sink. Got the water pump, water heater there. Getting it all ready to go. Here we have a little display area. A little ice bin underneath there. Plexiglass there so they can't reach in and touch. We put a little shelf here for you. Here we got a countertop extended out. If you like, you can make a little something here and put it there. Plenty space here for a refrigerator. Tabletop there if you like some more counter space. She's pretty much ready to go. Space there for AC unit. Looking for a food truck? I say you got one today. Come take a look. Custom Food Truck Builders. God bless.